Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going over the 24/7 or level up 24/7 back office new program called 24/7 level up, right? And so far I got 20 new members on my team, and then we're gonna go to my members here, and then they're all listed here, and I got one paid member. And then we're gonna go to the genealogy tree, show you how this works. All right. And on the right hand side, on my left leg, so I have pre-enrollees this month, which is the month of August. So I have 21 members on my left leg and one member on my right leg. So the total, let's go down to the total members. The total members is 72. My left leg is and 32 on the right leg. All right. And then upgraded members this month is 2 members on my left leg, and then total upgrades are 3. So I have 3 people on my left leg that upgraded and none yet on the right leg. And okay, we're gonna go over a couple more things. Let's see. Marketing tools. So you get your marketing tools here. The lander builder. So you could make different web pages, not for this company. That's the good thing about it. You can make landing pages for any other company that you're in as well too. Okay, and then let's see, you get the My Flyer design, which they haven't put that in yet. We're still in pre-launch, so you'll get that. Design your own flyer. You could order traffic now. Own buyer lead, lead buyer traffic. That's not implemented yet, or actually, it's up here. So when you purchase traffic, so you get 50 clicks, 30 50 clicks for $30, okay? And it goes all the way up. So 100 clicks, only $67, 300 clicks, $195, which is still, to me, a pretty good purchase. All right, and then we're gonna go to, let's see, my earnings. So earnings so far, I made $34 off that one member that upgraded. And then we're going to go to the pay plan. So there is 3 different streams of income within this payment plan. Okay. So we got the fast start bonus, the accelerated binary, and the level up bonus. All right. The fast start bonus is level up. Customers become influencers by referring one customer or one influencer on the first order and of your customer. Subsequent orders are paid out in accelerated binary. This is paid weekly. All right. Accelerated binary commissions, level up. Accelerated binary is the fastest plan to earn unlimited income. This is tremendous lucrative compensation plan. Does not require multiple additional bonuses that you may or may not receive. Instead, it fuses your business with immediate cash flow for the greatest potential of reaching your goals. Okay. So $10 per cycle. And that's when you got paid members on both legs. All right. And then the third one is the level up bonuses. This is different ranks. So you got the customer, which is just purchasing the tools to promote other businesses. You got the level up influencer, and the level up pro. You have to personally sponsor 10 customers. Okay. And then level up ambassador. You got to sponsor 20 customers, and the open tier is 1 to 3 levels, and then you get unlimited $5 payments. Right now, if you are interested in joining this program, just go ahead and click on the link below, and thank you for viewing my channel.